What's up, online shoppers? I've got my favorite little bracelet making kit here. This is really cool. These are polymer clay beads and a whole jewelry making kit all in this one skinny little container. And it's so thoughtfully designed. I'm just gonna flip it over so you can see what's on the back. Now don't worry, when you flip it over, nothing comes out of place because the lid actually has ridges designed to fit right in with all these little squares so that even if I shake it around, the beads don't go anywhere but in the space they're supposed to be in. That's such a neat feature. You can see at a glance that there's all kinds of cool stuff in here, so let's open it up and see what's inside. Now this is a really nice little kit that you can use, and it's nicely designed. There are a couple different clasps. There's two on the front and there's two on the side like this, so that you've got a nice even pressure all the way around, and it hinges on the back. So we're gonna open it up, and you saw how much I shook the beads around, but look at, nothing is out of place. It's awesome. These little ridges fit into ridges on the top of the case, and it prevents these from coming out no matter how much you shake them. That makes this one of my favorite little cases to take with us when we are on the road and I have to throw something in a backpack. I know that these are not gonna fall out anywhere, or that I'm gonna open up the kit and it's gonna be a disaster. Everything is really nicely sorted. There are 24 colors of heishi beads, and you also get letter beads. You also get spacer beads here, which are really cool. You also get neat little charms, like there's a leaf. This one here is so cute. I have a plan for it. It's an elephant because you know elephants never forget. That's really cool. They've even given you some little cowrie shells to use in bracelet making. This is a package with all the things you need to make jewelry. There are lobster clasps in here and O-rings, and there are also the things to make earrings and also hoops that you can bead for earrings. Super exciting. I really like this. This is cool. Now you get two different options for putting your jewelry together. You get this really neat stretchy elastic cord, just like that. And of course it affixes in here really nice so it doesn't unravel, which is great. And you also get a fibrous cord. It is also stretchy, but it's a little bit different look, and you can actually thread it on a needle. This one can be threaded on a beading needle so that you can have an easier time getting your beads on. And I'll show you what I mean in just a second. I'm gonna pop these two back in here like that. Now, as far as your variety of beads go, you've got lots to choose from. Now let's take a look at the tools that we have here. Now these are a really neat little pair of tweezers. These are bead making tweezers, and you can hold them like this and get a really good angle. You can reach in really easy and pick exactly the bead that you want out and have no difficulty. They've got a really nice flat surface in here, and I love them. Definitely easy for picking everything up. Now there's 24 different colors of these heishi beads, which is really awesome. And you've got these really nice little letter beads as well. Now what I love about these letter beads is that the color's not stamped on them. It's actually etched into it. So you have a really nice quality bead for spelling out your name or a sentiment. That's really cool. As well, you have this really nice little pair of snips. It's got a protective cover and really sharp blades. Be careful with these, but this is nice for snipping all of your cords and getting it done like that. Now I told you that they gave you beading needles, and that is really cool. Pretty hard to see because it's super thin, but this is a beading needle. This is the end that you thread, and they even give you a needle threader. You just pop this in here like this, and then you can put your cord through here and pull it through, and then you have a threaded needle. And then it makes it really easy because you can actually do a pattern up on your needle and be able to see it. Look how easily that bead threaded through on the needle. That is really neat. I haven't got too many beading kits before that had beading needles. I was really impressed with that when I opened it. So I have all these really great tools for bead making. As well, you can use this lid to separate out the beads and count them out, the ones that you want to use. So if you have a pattern, you can actually put them on all the little holes or put them in the order that you want to do them. Really convenient little case. These are your spacer beads, all different kinds. There's stars, there's round, there's oval, there's little X's, and there's little square beads too. Really, really neat. I love this little kit. I take it with me when I go visit my nieces because they love to make friendship bracelets, and I love how neat and organized everything is. Travels like a dream. This is such a nice little bead kit. 6,000 pieces, which seems like a lot, but once you start bracelet making, the pieces do go down. Believe it or not, I've already made 3 bracelets out of this, but you can't tell because there's so much stuff in here. It's just an awesome, awesome little friendship bracelet kit. If you are looking for a really nice little friendship bracelet kit or jewelry making kit with a great variety of colors, really neat tools, and a great mess-proof case, this is definitely a family favorite at my house. What's up, everyone? Thanks for stopping by my YouTube channel. I really appreciate you taking the time to check out my product reviews. It means a lot. Now, if you want to get your hands on that really great product I just showed you, I've linked it for you in the description below. Make sure you don't miss any more fresh product reviews by clicking subscribe and turning on your notifications. That way you'll get notified every time I post fresh content. And if you liked it, be sure to give it a thumbs up, because that way YouTube knows you want to see more of my content. By the way, don't forget to cannonball and do what you love.